Good day and welcome to the channel. In this very short video, we are going to show you how to remove and disassemble the charge port cover and mechanism on a Generation 1, which I think is 2011 to 2016 or 2015, don't recall which, Chevy Volt. And you can see why in this case we need to do that. This one's bust. You can see I can sort of close it, but with any bouncing at all, it just pops open. Somebody's forced this open and broken it. So what we have to do first is pop out this silver chromish plastic Voltec cover. Super easy to do. Take a slotted screwdriver and just pry it out. Now I'm going to use a piece of cardboard to protect the surrounding, but you don't really have to. Next thing we have to do is take out this entire ring, which again, same kind of thing. I'm going to use some cardboard to protect this. This is just in with friction fit. There's no screws or anything holding this in. There it is. And it's out. Now we just pop the wires off. So now the question is how to get that actuator out, how to get that cable off, and it's pretty easy. I just used, again, flat screwdriver. Well, in this case it's a little bit different, but just a flathead screwdriver would do. And I put my screwdriver in there and I pried it to the right and it just spun out. It just twists in basically. You push it through the hole. And then this one, of course, just pops straight off. This one's not a problem at all. And when you want to put it back together, it's easy enough. Pop that cable back on, pop that cable through, pull it back. There, I had to use two hands for that, but you can see it's twist locked into place, nice and solid now. And to put it back in is easy. Remember that that is a soft rubber, so it's flexible. So just put the motor part in first. There it is. Pop your door open, and remember, see, that's soft rubber, so it's flexible. There it is, it's in. Make sure that gasket's all the way back. You do not want water getting in there. And if you like, you can put the Voltec beauty ring back on. It just snaps in. Hey, if you found this video useful, please give us the big thumbs up. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.